Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cast your screen to your TV with the help of this Infinix smartphone. You can see this Infinix smartphone. So let's start. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. Just go to down and here you can see this cast button. Go to right, click on cast, and friends, you can connect Android and iPhone. You can connect iPhone users also. Click on start casting. You can see this. Click on start cast, ready to connect. Friends, then you have to take your phone and click on the settings icon. You can see, click on search bar, and here you have to type cast, and it is there. Click on cast, it is showing. Click on cast, and friends, you can see it is, when it is ready, it will show up on here. You can see it is in bold letters, smart 4A23 wireless display. Just you have to do is click on this, and you can see it is connecting. And friends, you can see it is connected successfully. You can see, you can also play games on it, and you can see this. It is successfully cast. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. And friends, if you want to disconnect this cast from your phone, follow these steps. Go to settings option. Here you have to type cast. You can see this. Click on cast. Here it is. And friends, you can see the smart 4A23 TV is connected to Infinix smartphone. Just click on this, and you can see the disconnect button. Just click on disconnect, and friends, you can see it is in the home page and it is successfully disconnected. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.